This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 251RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, air conditioning, DVD player, oven, leveling jacks, slide-out, microwave, awning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 251RL is 7,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.